Hello and welcome, this is Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to deliver a digital product using the automation rules with the System.io platform. So we will begin here at funnels. We will come over to the right and click create, and we will name the funnel. We'll call this email playbook 2. Then you can select the domain from your domain drop down. And for the funnel goal, we will click sell to sell a product or service. Come down to currency, select your currency, and click save. Now let's select the funnel we just created to go inside. And your funnel is defaulted with 2 pages. One is an order form and one is a thank you page. So let's begin on the order form and come over and select the template. I will select this one for the order form. And now let's click edit to go inside the page. Once inside, we're going to edit these particular fields here. I will start at the top where it says shipping address. I will change that to just customer information. Then also I will change the background color from black. I will make it a little bluer. Okay. Now we will come up first name, street address. I don't need a street address. Let's remove the street address. Country, I don't need a country. Let's remove that. Customer type, don't need that. Let's click the trash icon to remove that. Company name, let's remove that. Company tax number, let's remove that. And let's leave first name, last name, zip code, email, and phone number for the customer information. Of course, on the order summary, we want to leave our payment method for PayPal and for credit or debit card. Of course, we want to leave our payment button and the terms and conditions. We'll leave that. And underneath the form, we will remove that section. And here we will use this for our order form. So let's click save. Let's click exit. Now let's come over to the thank you page. And let's select a template for our thank you page. And I will select this for our thank you page. Now let's come over and edit the thank you page. And I will remove that lower section there. And I will remove this top section here. And I will leave it as that. Now let's click save. Let's exit and go back. Now we have selected templates for our order form and for our thank you page. Let's go back to the order form. Now let's set up our digital product. We need to come down to offer type and choose our offer type, which will be a digital product. And now we will have to come under digital product, come over to the right and click the plus and give it a name. Let's call this Playbook 2. Now let's go down to the resources, come over to the right, click the plus, and select a resource. You can choose between courses, course bundles, tags, communities, calendar events. For this resource, I want tags, so let's select tags. Now we have to choose a specific tag for this. So I want to select buyers. And now we'll come down to price plan and come over and click the plus. And you can choose between a one-time payment, a subscription, or a payment plan. We will select one-time payment. You can choose an existing plan from the drop-down menu. However, let's create a new one. So click there, and now we need to give it a name for the order form. So we will call this Playbook 2. We also need to give it a name that will be displayed on the dashboard. Playbook 2. And now a name for the card statement. Playbook 2. Same payment options, one-time subscription or payment plan. Of course, the payments must match. So we want a one-time payment. Let's put in the payment amount. We'll put in $27. And I'm not going to touch the tax behavior. And let's click save to save it. And let's click save a second time. So now we have added our digital product. Now we need to scroll up to the top and come to the automation rules to set up the delivery. So click on automation rules, then click on add rule. Now we need to create a trigger for the automation rule. Come over to the right next to trigger and click the plus. And we want to add this trigger as a new sale. It brings up the funnel for this trigger, which is the Email Playbook 2 funnel, and the funnel step, which is the order form, which is correct. That is what we want. Now we come over to actions and we come over to the right and click the plus. And the action we want to take is send an email. So let's click that to send the email. Then let's come over to the plus and create an email. So let's put in a subject for the email. We will say, here is your order. Then we'll come down to the body here, click in, here is your order. Click. After you put in your email body, now you can come over and add an attachment by coming over here to attachments and clicking. It opens up for you. And if you have already uploaded the file, you can come here and select it by checking the box on that file. If you need to upload it, you will click here so you can open up your device to go to the folder where you can add it and upload it. So I've selected the file I want to upload. Now I'm going to click select to add it. And I'm going to show you how you can make this a clickable link. So you find the text that you want to designate to be clickable and you highlight it. Come over to the 3-dot menu and select link. It opens up a box for you and it shows it has a download link and a check mark. You want to click on the download icon and it opens up to your files. Once again, you select your files, then you click select, and now that has become a clickable link. So once your email is delivered, they come to your email, they have a clickable link that they can click to download their purchase. Then you want to come down and you want to click on save. Then you want to click on save rule. And now you have successfully set up automation rules to deliver your digital product. And this is how quickly and easily you could set up a digital product and automation rules to deliver a digital product. So I hope that this is helping. I hope this is making sense. And if you're getting any value from this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. More importantly, click the link below and get a free account for the Systeme.io platform and come back to the video and set this up for yourself. So once again, I hope this is helping. I hope this is making sense. And I hope that you're getting started and following these videos to set this up for yourself. So thank you for watching. This is Kevin. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.